So I think work boots are probably the most overlooked tool in our workshops. Howdy, my name is Robert Dailey with Dailey Woodworks, where I make content on how to help you build great furniture, and then I'm a full-time furniture and cabinet maker here in Bryan, Texas. I'm on my feet a lot, probably at least 40 hours a week, right? And so I'm really picky with the shoes I wear. You get a bad pair of shoes, your knees ache, your hips ache, your back aches. I have a pair of tennis shoes right now that I can't stand to wear because after a few hours, they hurt my feet and back. So I've always been kind of really picky with the shoes I wear. But at the same time, I want a good value that I'm not, spending $300, $400, $500 on a pair of boots that are going to, look like this after a year, right? So that's where I kind of try to balance the value with the comfort and quality. I have used Red Wings for a while now, and they've been my go-to. This is like my second pair of these boots. First one I wore till they fell apart. Liked them, went and bought another. I think these are about $200 new. So when Rooster reached out to me and was like, hey, we want to send you a pair of boots. We want to start an affiliate relationship with you. I was interested in like, all right, let's talk, because I'm interested in doing this, but I also don't want to, encourage you to buy garbage, right? That's not something I'm about. And so we talked, and they sent me these 6-inch Lumen soft toe pull-on boots. I wanted the pull-ons just because I wanted something different than lace-up. Being able to pop these on and off real quick when coming inside and outside makes my wife happy, makes me happy from not having the lace-up boots. And so I got these. I got these a week ago, and these are the only shoe I have worn for the past week. I've worn them throughout my work week, here in the shop, on concrete floors, going to, the home center, getting materials, driving, all that kind of good stuff. I wore them on date night. I wore them to my son's soccer practice. I wore these to our family's land for a picnic we had out there, where there's lots of rocky soil, uneven soil, all that. We had a good rainstorm, so I wore them in the rain. Grocery stores. I wore these everywhere for a week, and they were the only shoes I wore. Wore them to church even. So, all that being said, I'm going to say 80 hours on my feet in a week. And here's my thoughts. These are... Most of the stuff on the Rooster site is about $100, sometimes less, to maybe like $130, $140. So that's their price range of shoes. For the money, these are great. I am incredibly happy with them. They're very comfortable. Again, my knees don't ache, my hips don't ache. I care how it feels on my foot, but if I wear a shoe, and I had a pair of shoes that I felt were comfortable, but after a while my knees, my ankles, my back, hips and back all hurt. That's what matters, because I'm standing on concrete all day long, and I want something more durable than a tennis shoe that's going to fall apart in a week because I'm hard on my shoes. Exhibit A right here, I'm hard on my shoes. These have been fantastic. These are not marketed as waterproof, but I've stepped in a few puddles. I saw if, water would leak in or not. It didn't from just stepping in a puddle, out of a puddle. I'm not going to do like a 5-minute test where, I see if it fills up with water. Because if I'm going to stand in water for 5 minutes, I'm going to put on my rubber mud boots, right? That's what I'm going to do. These have let me get it out of here, have a fantastic and dirty insole. These are probably some of the thickest insoles I've seen, which a thick insole is not necessarily a marker of quality, because these insoles are not, and again, you can see this is used here, are not as thick, but they are comfortable as well. And the reason I'm comparing these to these Red Wings right here, which are about twice the price, is because that's what I have and have to compare it to. Okay? I've tried Ariats, I've tried Wolverines, I've tried, I think, Caterpillar shoes at one point. Those were junk. I've tried all the, $150, $100 to $200 boots, okay? And Some are good, some are bad. And these are good. They come in lots of different styles. Rose Anvil, who does a YouTube channel that's devoted to... I'll get that in there later. That's devoted to like cutting boots in half. Like he'll get like a $700 pair of boots, cut it in half, and tell you, hey, this is how it's made and what's good and bad. Got a pair from Rock Rooster, cut them in half, and his consensus was, hey, for the money, these are really good boots. Are there boots better made? Sure, of course there are. But the value to what you spend to what you get is really good on these. I like them. I'm going to be getting another set to, these will be my shop boots to replace these guys. These will be my, I'm going to go get super dirty boots. And then I'll have another pair of boots that's kind of just my nicer, I want to wear boots today kind of shoes. And then they also have like hiking boots, hiking shoes, things like that. And I'm going to get a pair of those as well. I have an affiliate link that will be in the pinned comment, and I do get a kickback if you use that link, but I also have a promo code where you can get 15% off of your shoes. It's Dailey Woodworks, no spaces, all capitals. I'll put it right here, and I'll put it in the pinned comment below. So check out Rock Rooster with the links below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.